Today, when the hairman's got a hat on, his hair system is off. Right, okay, so another tip for today. You can see for my hair system, I've removed it, and hopefully if that's zoomed in, you can see the residue on there. That's caused by the tapes. I worked out quite hard last week and perspired, and the tapes started breaking down, so I probably left it on a little bit too long. Naughty hairman. Okay, so you can see the residue here, so I put the cotton wool up, and that generally shows you exactly where the sticky gooey stuff is, as you can see there. Right, and then keeping it taut, you can see me removing the tape, residue tape, and you do this all the way around. So let me do it again. It's still picking some up. I'll just do this area, otherwise it's the same principle all the way around, so you can see me get it clean. So one more go, and the cotton wool's getting less and less. Life with a hair system. Doing it the correct way. Right, sticky gooey. But you'll see from that lace, clean. And I've still got this side to do.